So these are some fraction things that I really, really want you to pay attention to when you're going through and doing these slopes, because they cause all kinds of problems when if we don't understand them. First of all, if you have 2/3 and -2/-3, those are the same fraction, because two positives makes a negative. Yeah, that's right. Two negatives makes a positive. All right, so if I have a negative in the top and a negative in the bottom, it's negative over negative, which makes a positive. I think we probably know that. But where it comes into play and causes lots of issues is right here. All right, -4/5 is not -4/-5, because that would make a positive fraction. It's either put the negative in the top or put the negative in the bottom, but don't put it in the top and the bottom. Okay, now it doesn't matter which one you make negative. You basically have the choice of which one you want to make negative if you're encountered with something like this. So if it says -1/2 like that, you can either make it -1/+2, or you can make it -2. Whoops, don't make it that. You can make it 1/-2. Okay, but do not make it -1/-2, because that is a positive number. And this is something that gets messed up all the time, especially when we're making perpendicular slopes. All right, people will have 1/2, they'll flip it, and they'll change the sign, and they'll make it -2/-1, which is not the perpendicular slope. I guess the thing that I don't have written down here that you probably should remember is, if you have the number 2 and you need to make it into a fraction for some reason, put it over 1, okay? Because then that would allow you to make the perpendicular slope of -1/2, all right? So put numbers over 1 if you need to make them into a fraction. That's something that I forgot until right now. So try some of these. They are not that hard, all right? This whole unit, again, is mostly on drawing some pictures and doing things with the pictures.